Look, he's here. We have some special guests today. Come on. Got Mrs. Skittles. And Mr. Skittles here. Beautiful day, 25 degrees, 26 degrees. Got some more friends here. Oh, coming up the other way. Hello. Come on. This way. Okay. It's your good girl. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. King Parrots are coming more often now. It's around 5 o'clock. Some more friends here, hopefully. Hello? Hey, Skittles. Traffic control looked after here. Look. Absolutely beautiful. Just keeping an eye on everyone. There we go. Good afternoon. Pretty happy this afternoon. The seed's got all the vitamins and minerals in it. 11 secret herbs and spices. My friend up top is very shy today. Plenty of flocks flying past, keeping an eye on them. See who else we have here. Hi, keeping an eye on us. Thank you. Look at that strut, beautiful. A couple of happy campers here. There you go. There you go. Very happy. More happy customers here today. Oh! Don't want to take off with it. There you go, self-service. Still waiting on the rest of the flocks here. Someone else is here. Hi. Look at that. Pretty happy. I love getting into that corn. Keeping an eye on us as well. Hello there. Oh, noisy miners, watch out. I think we're twinning today. Watch out behind. Come on. Look at that beautiful sunset here. Two happy campers. There we go, keeping an eye on us here. Good afternoon. That's interesting. They're looking around the corner, keeping an eye on their friend. Got another friend here. Have a look. Bit of noisy miner action. Cockatoos do not like noisy miners. Oh, you want to come and see us? Oh, you can hear gangs in the background. You just see where they are. Oh, they're over here. There's gang cockatoos. They're pretty fast. Changing of the guard. There you go. So beautiful sunset in the Yarra Valley. Last warm day of the season. I'm just looking after 3 of our friends here, as well as our King Parrots. Oh, Chris up. Are you okay? I heard the miners then. These 2 friends here just finishing off their evening snacks. Very happy with themselves. Watch out behind you. Right. What a handsome boy, eh? Oh, you can hear the gangs again coming back. Very squeaky. Here they go. See if we can pick them up. There's our gangs. in the tree there. They're doing their daily flyby. Awesome. Well, thanks for hanging out on a beautiful, warm Saturday late afternoon. A few minutes off sunset. Great to have you visit the Yarra Valley and some of our awesome friends here. Thank you. These guys are ready to take off for the night. We've had some awesome snacks. We'll let them crack on, so thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Stay passionate and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.